Pandas. 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 Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining, everyone. Good morning, everybody. Market's about to open. We do have news today at 10 o'clock. Unfortunately, the promo is done. Hope you guys took advantage of it while it lasted. Is 70% now? 80%. Original prices. What? 297. Who's paying that much? Oh wow. No way. No way. Interesting. It's only 50% off right now. It's not even 80% off. Goodness gracious. Right now it's only 50% off. That's insane. Alright. Wowie. Jeez Louise. Sorry for those who didn't take advantage of the 90% off. We're back to 50% off now. Wowzers. Market's open, pandas. Let's get it. Alright. I mean, massive uptrend. Daily chart always in long, right? Right when you buy. Basically, right when the market opened, people just bought it. It was always in long, essentially, on the daily chart. Looking for a long trade here. We do have news at 10. ISM services PMI. How y'all doing? Make sure you scalp that like button. Drop a GM in the chat. Crimson Demon, good morning. Benali Hawk, good morning. Love Stocks, good morning, Sensei. Young Grasshopper. Top left of your screen. We're up 1K on our accounts. I like it. I like that better than being negative 1K, you know what I mean? Pushing up. I gotta try the second entry long on the 2500. I must try. ugly looking single bar. We're in our channel here. Second long trigger is on the 2500 tick. Let's just sit on a pause for a little bit here. Let's assess the situation here. Oh, definitely long. Oh, this is a good setup. Really good setup here. Start with the L. Start with a dub. Which one will it be?
Target filled.
The first target. Come on, give me a runner. Give me a nice looking runner too. Ooh, okay. Are we gonna be done in one single trade today? That'd be great. Ah, it's too good to be true. Right, Pandas? Too good to be true. Yikes. What a monster move back down. Jeez. What a retracement. Hey, we got some bamboo. Unfortunately, not much. I wish the runner would have really gone, but no joy on runners. We're at 190. I'll take it. Quick scout, 10 points. Down, huh? All right. Most likely going to make a new low here. Most likely. I think it's going to make a new low. It looks awkward without a new low here. Now that we have this push up, reversing down. It looks weird to me that there's no new low. Hey, market can do whatever it wants, but it looks strange to me that there's no new low here. That might be all you get on this move now, maybe. H2O, good morning. Charles Wilson, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, pandas. Are you ready to make some bamboo? Okay. Like I said, it's a little strange without a new low here, in my opinion. A little strange to me, but the market is a strange place. Our news at 10 o'clock, pandas. Don't forget. Tate, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Make sure you guys drop your GMs in the chat. Can you believe it? We're back to 50% off code BBM. I really hope you took full advantage of the 90% off. I hope you guys purchased more than you normally would. because you can get it at an extreme discount. If you're going to use it anyways, might as well purchase as many as you can. That's what I think, at least. Purchase as many as you would spend that you would use in 1 month, so you don't have to pay the recurring fee. Yeah, here's that new low I was talking about. I said it looked weird without a new low. Now it's making a new low. Just thought it was very strange. It felt weird. Okay, double bottom here. The low here is 21,399. 21 up. Didn't make a new low yet. Should I take this trap? Nah. Pass. Looks sus. I don't know what it is, but it looks a little bit suspicious. Okay. It makes a new low finally, which is what I said. But honestly, that's all it needs to do. Make a new low, and it's just free to go back up. We do have the 240 SMA here, could act as a support. Might want to come back down to it. Slight overshoot, now to an undershoot. Having a hard time getting above the 20 MA now. Let's see here. Doesn't even touch the 20 MA. Decent push down. Alright. Alright. $240 SMA here. Maybe I'll just buy it. Maybe I'll just buy it. Buy the bottom of the 5 minute. Bouncing off the 240 SMA. Let's see if anything comes out of this. Who says Apex doesn't like making money? I guess they probably have 0 sales at 50% off. It's not true. People will buy at 50% off. Hey Panda, say if I was to buy 4 accounts, right? Would I need to pay a monthly fee for all of them, or only the ones I activate? Once you buy them, they're activated. Unless I'm missing something here, I'm not sure what the question is. Unless I'm missing something. They're automatically activated once you buy them. You don't like turn them on or anything. It's just there. You start immediately. High or low here. Bouncing off the 240 SMA. Fail second inch short is my setup here. But like I said, it would look really weird without a new low. New low's created now. Now it looks nice. Okay. I'm gonna push again. Oh, we're in this trade. What in the world was that? Let's get back to the top of the trading range. Just small risk for a decent reward here. Likelihood, probability wise, 40%. But our risk reward is so good, it's worth it, I think. In my opinion. My humble panda opinion. Just let it cook. Let it cook. Let him cook. Uh-oh. That's not good. That's not good. Basically a failed trap here. That's why I said 40% probability here. Low probability, but good risk reward. Nasty slippage. Okay, interesting. It's pushing back up. I guess I'll try again. See what happens here. Maybe a higher low. Okay, maybe a higher low would be better. Wait for it. Okay. No higher lows were given that day. Interesting. Getting trickier. We do have news at 10 o'clock. But darn it, I was in a nice situation here. Comes down, takes me out. And it kind of goes the way I want it to go. With this one quick move down. One fell swoop. It takes me out. Some tricky stuff right now, in my opinion. Oh, I pattern on the 5-minute chart. Oh wait, I'm looking at the EMINI. Whoops, I was looking at the EMINI the whole time. Maybe I should wait for news. I'm pretty much break even right now. Yep. They are automatic right when you buy them. They start. Interesting. High or low here? Interesting. No clue. No clue. Wowzers. What a move. This is just absolute chaos right now. We do have news at 10. Maybe the market's waiting for it. I'm pretty much break even right now. Who am I kidding? I'm not break even. I am $10 green, pandas. Green is green. Bill 7, scalp that like button. Alright. Probably a big move up here soon. Yeah, no. I'm okay sitting on my pause until news. News at 10, 12 minutes. Is it news big? Not really. It's like some PMI number. ISM services PMI. It keeps going higher and higher, so don't know what to do. Okay. Looks choppy to me. Looks like possible trading range starting to develop here. No clue. It did bounce off the 240 SMA perfectly, which is nice. A perfect hit off the 240 SMA. People may wonder why I use a 240 SMA, such a random moving average. It's because on the 5-minute chart, the 240 SMA is actually the 20 SMA on the 1-hour chart. It's the same thing. But because the market is so balanced, the 240 SMA I think works on every chart. Big push up. That was the move I wanted. This was the move I wanted, but when I entered, it wanted to do one more strong push down for absolute no reason, and then decided to come back up. I guess I need a wider stop. I don't know. I guess I needed a wider stop. I feel like I gotta try to go long here, but unfortunately it's gonna be right when news happens. It looks like a trading range though. It feels and looks like a trading range. Huh. Just tough. I always let it be. have more clarity. Try for a scalp, maybe. Nothing more, nothing less. Okay, pushing up. That's a bar reversal. No thanks. Not this close to news. What I'm talking about is on 2500 tick chart. We have a trap setting up, going long here. And it created an outside bar reversal. I was thinking about going long right here, but it's triggering like inside this range, which is quite sus. You know what I mean? It's quite suspicious. D1, welcome. Huh. What a nice... We're still contained in this channel as well. Maybe the market doesn't care about the trading range? I don't know. Let's see. Let's see what happens. Guess I could try. I don't love it. I don't love it. You know what I mean, pandas? I don't love it. I don't love it at all. Quick scalp, maybe. If it's a 1-to-1. Okay, got a little pop up, which is nice, but absolutely no follow through afterwards. I'm pretty much convinced right now landscapers have the greatest job of all time. In fact, every landscaper ever to exist never had a bad day. They just love riding their lawnmowers around everywhere. They love it. I'm fully convinced being a landscaper is probably the best job ever. You just ride your... Like, I'm pretty sure this is like their 5th time going back and forth in the exact same spot. Happens to be right in front of my bamboo hut. Happens to be right in front of my bamboo hut.
Target filled.
I'm skunking this one. I don't like it. And we're so close to news. I'm skunking it. Moving on, next trade. I don't like how it comes back into our trading range here. So I'm skunking it. If it makes it, it makes it. It's just, oh well. But I don't think it's worth the risk. I'm skunking it for a small loss. Obviously, I'm disappointed when I see the strong bear bar. Super annoying because on 2500 tick chart you get this nice strong bull bar ending on its high with absolutely no follow through and just get this big bear bar. So it just makes you think it's going to be a failed It's like basically a bull trap. That's what it feels like. HOA here in... I'm astonished at how much my homeowner association pays for landscapers to move grass. That's how they make money. They target the HOAs. I am betting they have 2 different books. HOA here in SW Austin, $20 a month, cheap in Cali, $350 a month for a townhome. Insane. Wow. Technically, you're still safe in this trade. Your stop loss is down here. Well, basically where this red line is. News about the drop. Okay, so you just lose that trade. I saved myself from losing extra 100. Which is nice. But news dropping in about 20 seconds here. Or 1 minute, 20 seconds. Coming back into our trading range. Yeah, that's why I didn't like it, right? Because we started closing underneath the 20 MA. At this point, it's 3 closes underneath the 20 MA. I was like, let's just get out. It's not worth it. Not worth it at that point. Just take the hit, move on. Right, the moment this created a strong bull bar, and then right after created this bear bar, I knew something was up. Something was weird. Definitely after this strong bear bar, you're like, okay, maybe I should skunk my trade. Especially coming back into our trading range, right? The context matters, right? Context is everything. That's the thing about trading. Context is everything. Almost trading context alone, you'll make money. Like, forget about setups, forget about everything else. If you just trade the context, like, you have a high chance of making money. Higher chance, in my opinion. And that's what price action really is. You look at the context. News dropping. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ooh, okay. Spikes down, spikes up. It's a spiky one. Okay. Does pretty much nothing here. Comes back to the bottom of the trading range. Okay, pushing down pretty hard. Okay. Potentially bouncing off the bottom of the trading range. The move down was so strong. Well, because of news. Thinking a little follow through, maybe? Overshoot? Maybe need to undershoot. Expanding pattern? Possibly here. Going up. Right back down. I'll try here, see what happens. Just because it kind of failed and came back down, I thought it might be successful the second time. Ooh, okay. Interesting. Come back into our trading range. Maybe the better move was just to trade back into our trading range. Jeez. What in the world was that? I saw this fail. The reason why I entered is because it triggered and it failed and then it failed again, so it was the second failure. That's why I entered. Jeez. I'm sorry. This trading range, I'm guessing coming back to the top of the trading range. It's a decent second just short here too. I'll take the trap back up. This trade. Should I come back to the top of the trading range here? Could be another failed trap. Jeez. Alright. Feels like trading range is pretty established here. Let's see if we can make some bamboo. Okay, it's a decent push up. Very decent push up. Let's see if we get back to the top though. This level makes sense to me. I'll just hold. Maybe in these situations I should look for quick scalps instead of like a big swing back to the top. Looking sus. Looking sus. Struggling. Really struggling to make a move here. Unfortunately. Oh, looks ugly. It's like 50-50 feels like to me.
Target filled.
Alright, I'm out. Down 35. Just felt like it was getting weak. It's getting a little sus here. Watch it explode to the upside now. Just watch it. Ooh, now it's exploding. Didn't want to hold it through that nonsense. Let's see if it hits my target, which is the top of the trading range here. It ends up hitting my target? Almost? Ends up hitting my target. I could have held it. Ooh, my cojones were too weak though. It's okay. Not that big of a deal. We'll hit the next one. I'm thinking we're coming back into our trading range, but depends on how strong this move is. If this move is very strong, then sayonara trading range. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 2500 tick chart. Doesn't mean anything to me now. If I feel very strongly about this trading range, I could try to go short here with a wide stop, like a wide-ish stop. Ask anyone having trouble with Trade-O-Bait? I am not, because I'm not using it. Okay. So I got you long here. Interesting. Dare I do something cheeky here? Dare I do something so incredibly cheeky here? I dare not. I dare not. It's popping up though. I almost want to go short here now. Kind of big up, big down. You're thinking trading range. At this point, you're catching a falling knife though, because you just don't know how high this can really try to break out before it reverses. I'm gonna sell here for a cheeky reversal since we were in a trading range. Maybe. Oh, ends up being a pretty strong push down. Oh, I want a lower high. That's what I want. I want a lower high. Decent push down. Really is a decent push down though. Doesn't mean much. Are we gonna make a new high here? Whoa. High or low? Might fail. We'll see. I'm trying to go short somewhere. Trying to go short, but whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Interesting. I don't know if I want short anymore. I might buy, actually. It's starting to look like a very strong uptrend at this point. Whoa. I feel like I gotta buy. I feel like I gotta buy. Okay. Or not. What in the world? What a push down. Confused. Out of my mind right now. I guess no longer buy. Okay. Bouncing off the 20 EMA, off our trend line as well. Such a strong push down though. Thinking maybe a little more follow through on that push down. One more leg down here. Second entry long for me here, pandas. Dare we? Dare we dream today? Dare we have a dream today? Dare we? Doesn't even trigger the second pullback. So no second entry long. Boo. That would get the setup at least. We need the second pullback here so we get the second entry long. Oh, there it is. It happens in an odd way, which I don't like. Overshoot. Maybe they need to undershoot. is looking ugly now. Looking very ugly. Yikes. Forget about it. Forget about it. Do I go long here? I can't. With this signal bar? No way. With that signal bar, no way. Who's going long? Good entry bar. With that kind of signal bar, who can go long there? Truly. Oh, trap? Trap doesn't feel good either. Trap does not feel good either. Oh, I can't look at it. I can't bear to look at this. This is not good, pandas. Don't do it. The best setup probably is to look for a failed trap here. Alright, pushing up. Alright, we're in this trade. Come what may. Come what may. As my boy Ian McGuire says. Come what may. The question is, should I reverse this back up? This fails. Nah, I'll just take the hit. Move on, next trade. Ooh. Are we in a juicy one here? Are we in a possible juicy one here? Huh. Is it possible we're in a juicy one? Are we? Are we? He's trying to reverse on me. Are we in a juicy one? Okay. Semi. Whoa! More? Should we look for more?
Target filled.
I'll take it. It was a juicy one. It was quite a juicy one. So juicy. Whoo. Jeez. I guess I would have held it more if I knew. If I had known I was going to do this, I would have just held it. So disgusting, yeah, so disgusting, yeah. But Nolly Hawk out for the day. 1.1k up on these last pushes. Let's go. But Nolly's been killing it. I think he's been killing it. I think he has been. Who knows, though? Oh. Kill or be killed. That's the name of the game. You can only be right, you know? It's either right or you're either right or wrong when it comes to a trade. Jeez Louise. Isn't that crazy? You're either right or wrong. Isn't that crazy, man? of shenanigans happening right now? What kind of shenanigans just happened? What's going on here? We're at the 20 EMA now. What is happening? What is actually happening? Okay. Okay. What a bounce. What a bounce. I guess I didn't leave too much on the table. Which is good. I only left like this much. Bouncing up hard here. Potential channel developing here. Pandas, make sure you scalp that like button. So risky. I'm passing it. Ends up pushing kind of hard, but I'm skipping it. It's just, it's not a good signal bar either. I guess I'm a little bit confused as if what's our market cycle here? Here's a 5-minute chart. Here's a 5-minute chart so far. I mean, we're just, I don't know. Something like this? That's what it looks like. I mean, it looks wild. It looks wild. I don't know. Technically, this is a bearish setup, but there is a counter to every single setup. So even though it looks bearish, even though it is a bearish setup, there is an absolute counter to it that does the exact opposite. And there's a counter to the counter. Counter to the counter, you know what I mean? Counter to the counter to the counter. I'll tell you what. I'm not very confident in any trade right now. I just don't know if we're going up, if we're going down, going sideways. Awfully confusing to me. Just watch it. Just watch this go. I just think while I'm confused, I should just sit on my pause. Even with a good setup, it's not about setups right now. It's about clarity. And clarity I do not have. It's such a strong move down. 3 bottoms. It's actually insane. I mean, is today the day where we just have like this forever uptrend? I don't know. I have no clue what's happening, pandas. But that's what makes trading fun. That's what makes it interesting and difficult. Because you literally have times where you have no idea what's happening. You gotta catch those moments where it's very clear. Right now, I don't think this is it. Second entry long. Does it mean much? I don't know. Such a small candle on the 5-minute chart. Jeez. Such a small candle on the 5-minute. I feel like this may go down. Actually, we've been above the 20 EMA, but also we've been going in and out of the 20 EMA all day. I don't know about this one, pandas. What do you say? Give me a 1 if you think you can go up. Give me a 2 if you think it can go down in the chat. Triggers a second entry long above the 20 EMA. It does trigger it. I'll give you that much. It does trigger it. Ooh. Okay. Maybe up. Okay. Okay. Huh. Well, second entry long. Guess it works out in your favor. Not one that I love, but it is there. It looks more like this. It looks more like a trading range than anything, you know what I mean, Hannes? More like a trading range. More than anything right now. I guess your trading should have been buying down here and selling up here. Higher low. Start to form here. For breaking out now. If it breaks out, it breaks out. Okay, going back down to the bottom of our trading range here. Looks very choppy. I'm very proud of myself not taking any trades right now. Kevin Max has 1. He doesn't go up. Brave panda. None of you other pandas were brave enough to put yourself out there. Ooh, higher low now setting up. If you can't beat them, join them. No, is that not the mantra of this channel? If you can't beat them, join them. market made a decision yet. Possibly with this move up. I have no idea what's happening though. Am I just gonna buy down here somewhere? Does that even make sense? I have no clue. Let's do it anyways. Sure. Why not? Let's try. Let's try to do something cheeky here. Almost got stopped out. Very cool. Gonna get stopped out. How the heck am I still alive? What in the world's happening? Goodness gracious. Don't do it. No. Oh, I'm dead. Just got too impatient, pandas. Like, just got too impatient. I'm just sick and tired of just staring at this, doing nothing. Obviously, I shouldn't have gone long there. Obviously, shouldn't have gone long there. Boredom is the killer when it comes to trading, no? Isn't that the main reason why we lose money? Because of boredom? What is this? Second entry long forming here. Okay. So I got you long. Very cool. It's a limit order market. I gotta buy the limit order somewhere. Buy a limit order somewhere, sell the limit order somewhere. Popping up now. Okay. Not gonna lie, it looks really sus still, but jeez. At a certain point in time, you just gotta jump in, huh? At a certain point in time, you just gotta jump in, have a little fun. a certain point in time, you just gotta jump in and have a little bit of fun, no? I feel like today might be a wash.
Target filled.
I'll take it. Oh yeah. Sometimes you just gotta have some fun and just jump in, you know? Even though it hurts to go long here, sometimes you just gotta do what hurts. You gotta do the thing that just feels so counterintuitive. The thing that, like, this thing just keeps grinding up and you're like, it has to reverse sometime. And you gotta just do the opposite of whatever you feel like. Sometimes you gotta do that. Sometimes you gotta just, like, let go and just jump in. And just be okay if you lose, right? Like, you're gonna lose often when you do that. It's gonna happen. You will lose. Trading is not about being perfect. Trading is losing profitably. Losing profitably. That is basically what trading is. Losing profitably. Losing in such a way where you're still profitable. That's what it is. Falling with style. Second entry long. Dare we enter this second entry long? Dare we? What do I have to lose? What is there to lose? Nothing but my dignity. Should I buy? Let it go. Decent push up. Sometimes you just gotta let go and just do what the market is doing. Okay, coming back to our trend line here. Okay, pushing down. I'm almost happy just ending it with this bamboo. We got our bamboo today. I mean, it's not terribly a lot, but not bad, you know? Not bad. Especially across 4 counts. Slow grind up. Slow grind up, but it is what it is. It's kind of like what the market's giving us today. It's not like very clear-cut action. It's very grindy, very slow. My ATR right now is 5.67. I mean, this is super choppy, low volume day. My ATR is 5.57. Pandas, just let that sink in. Let that sink in. And you have no idea what you're letting sink in. What it means is that the average true range, that means each bar, the range of each bar, right, basically from the high to the low, right, how large these bars are, on average the last 14 bars have been only 5.57. To put in perspective, it's usually 11. It's half the size. These candles are half the size as they typically are. That's how little volatility we have today. Let that sink in. Are you letting it sink in? I feel like you're not. Just let it sink in, pandas. Just let it go today. It might not be the day today to trade. Decent push down here. Typically, you don't see a strong bull trend. Basically, a double top here forming. And 1, 2, 3 hits actually. Looking very sus right now. This is not like particularly something you want to see if you're a bull. this kind of sideways action, especially when you're going in and out of the 20 EMA. Here it's better because you're above the 20 EMA the entire time, but here you're like getting beneath it, above it, right back beneath it, making it confusing, difficult to trade, difficult to know what's gonna happen here. We're gonna take one more trade, a fail second entry long, if we get one. This is another Patrick Weiland loss video in the making. Patrick Weiland's a scam. Just such a scammer. It's crazy. Everyone knows it's a scam, but yet they still watch. It's insane. It just proves that you don't need all you need is content. And what I mean by content, just someone yelling and screaming, pretending they're making a lot of money. That's all you need to do. We were never about that on this channel. We were never about that on this channel. I'll try here, but no promises. It's looking ugly already. Like better off selling with a limit order up here. It's OI pattern on the 5-minute chart. Triangle forming, breaking out of the triangle. Okay, all right, you know, I'll admit I'm wrong. Psych, never wrong. What is that? What is that nonsense? What is this nonsense here? I never miss. Where is that? Where is that from? I never miss. I never miss. Come on, you guys have to know where that's from. What movie is that from? Alpine is down now. Group prayer. Small group meeting right now. Prayer meeting. Thoughts and prayers to them. Fake traders. Ooh, it's actually track going the other way. Very interesting. I'll stick with my guns here. Let's see if we make any bamboo here. Okay. Continues a triangle. Let's see if we break beneath the triangle here. Whoa, here we go. Quick scalp here, 10 points, hopefully. Ooh,
Target filled.
Let's go, easy peasy. I'm never wrong. I never miss. Oh, it's a good day to be a panda. Up 585. Not bad. I'll take it. I'll take it. Pandas! It's good to have a green day, especially when everyone else is having a red day. I've seen my fair share of tricky days like this. We scalped that perfectly too. Now it's almost time to go long. Should I go long here? Dare I? Dare I go long here? Dare I? It's a second entry long. Nah. Let's end on a solid, good green note here. Pandas, it's been good. Hope you guys enjoyed today's stream. If you guys did scalp if you didn't scalp that like button, anyways, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. Don't forget there's news tomorrow as well, and tomorrow's news is at 8:30. Unemployment claims. Just take note of it, just in case you like to trade pre-market. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern time, as we do every single day trading in Nascraq. Thanks for joining. Hope you guys enjoyed. With that being said, pandas, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.